How to post a text on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post a text on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then just go to your profile, click these three lines here and then click see your profile, and here just go down and click this one, what's on your mind, and here just type anything you want and then just click post. And as you see, now your post was shared on Facebook mobile, and that's how to post a text on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.